characters. You can add the characters in multiple ways. You can search for a new one, you can create a one, you can upload it from Google or somewhere else. For now, the character that we are trying to place it, we have a size option. We can decrease the size to 50. Let's add the background as well. The blue sky, the stage has appeared. Now let's make this boy stand on the ground properly. When we add backdrop or a sprite, you can go to this costume, 3 tabs over here. One is code. I have selected this boy. I go to this costumes. There are multiple costumes we can switch between. I want the boy to hold the umbrella. Let's also find one umbrella. If it's see we do not have an umbrella, what you can do is you can go to Google, get the umbrella, upload it. The height of umbrella is too long. We will go to the costumes. We can convert to vector. I can make it look short now, right? Now let's bring and keep it at the center like this. Let's go and start bringing the water drop as well. You can go to Google, get the water drop as well. We can get the water drop. Here is an option to show. Sometimes it switches between this. With this, we have added the sprites and